Hey guys, it's Olga Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my spicy, delicious white chicken, okay? It's going to be so easy and fast. What I'm going to use, I'm just going to use some pepper flakes and red chili powder and some other stuff, okay? Let me show you guys what I'm going to do. Okay, as you can see here, my chicken already cleaned up and marinade. Okay, been sitting in the marinade for all morning. Okay, so now let's start cooking. And when we come back, guys, after that, I'm going to show you guys what exactly I'm going to do for my spice. Okay. And I'm not going to add any extra water, guys. I'm just going to let the chicken cook with the marinade sauce. Okay. Because I want all my seasoning to stay in the meat, okay? That's why I'm not going to use any water. Okay, let me cover it up. Okay, open it up. Okay, so when we come back, well, I'll show you guys what exactly I'm going to use. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now let me show you guys how I make looking. Okay, looking good, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna give it 5 more minutes and then get them out. Okay, and here, as you can see, I have all my spice for my chicken, pepper flakes and red chili powder, paprika, pepper flakes and ginger powder, and here I have some garlic powder and onion powder. Okay, and also I have my garlic chili sauce. Okay, I'm going to add. Okay, so when we come back, I'll show you guys exactly what I'm doing. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now everything is ready. My chicken ready. Now let me show you guys how I make my spice. Okay, for my chicken. Okay, as you can see, I already mixed up all my spice, and then I'm going to use the same chicken broth, okay, for my mixture. Okay, not too much. Mix it up. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to, by the way, the chicken already out. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish that up, and then when we come back, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now it's time for my mixture. Okay, I'm just gonna spread everything around my chicken. Okay, okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my spoon so everything can mix up. Okay, that's how I make my chicken. When I want my chicken to be, you know, with the spice, real spicy, that's how I make my chicken, guys. Okay, I'm going to finish that up, guys. Okay, when we come back, we'll start cooking them. Okay, come back. Okay guys, you see how my chicken looks? Okay, now let's start cooking them again. Okay, let me do this, but I have to hurry up, guys, because I can get burned. Okay, I'm going to let them cook, guys. When we come back, we'll check on them. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now let me show you guys my chicken. Okay, they're cooking. Okay, look very nice. Okay, I'm flipping them over. Okay, perfect. All right, I'm gonna give them like 2 more minutes, and then when we come back, we'll finish the rest. Okay. Okay, guys, now it's time to get the rest of the chicken out. Okay, you see that? Looks very nice. Okay, and after that, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do. I saved some of my sauce, spicy sauce, to put on my chicken at the end. Okay, let me put this last one. Okay, come over here. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, here I'm going to, you see, I saved some. I'm going to get that brush and then brush it out on my chicken. Okay, because like I said, guys, my chicken going to be spicy. Okay, all right. Okay, guys, I'm going to finish that up, and then when we come back, I'll show you how everything come out. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, let me show you guys what's going on. Everything's done. Okay, here I have my chicken, okay, and the plate. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a little parsley, okay, and on top of it, it smells so delicious, guys, and spicy, tasty, good. Oh, it tastes very good. Yes, you guys should give it a try. Okay, okay. Alright, guys, that's what I have for you guys today. See that? Okay. Alright, guys, if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, whatever question you have, let me know. Okay, and give it a try. Okay, have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Bye.